So hi guys, I'm super excited today to start a very brand new project here. What I've done is that I have written 1, 2 and 3 in a sequence. Now if I show you, this is a normal cartridge sheet. The length of this paper is 21 centimeter and the breadth of this paper is 5 centimeter. I have approximately created each number to be 6 centimeters. Now what I have done is I have drawn it using the midpoint and I have outlined it with a thick sketch pen. Now what I'll do is I will cut it out. I will cut out the edges and then I will show you. So here you can see that I have cut it out. This is going to become a very beautiful bookmarker when we are going to create it. So let me now design it. I'm going to use the Madhubani templates that we have created till now. But here what we'll do is we will create a consistent template for all three numbers. So I'm using the sun template that is from number 3. I'll be using a mix and match and creating. So let me start. Now in this again, you can use any template of your choice. I'm using the sun template and I will be using similar colors across all the 3 numbers to create some kind of a symmetry. Now you must be wondering why I have left this rectangle area on top. In this rectangle area, I will show you how to attach a tussar and shoe. In later on, once we have finished the bookmark. Now numbers are very beautiful templates. You can even use them when you are making different varieties of cards. So I will create another sun pattern here. Now I will use the same sun pattern. Here I am using a Micron 0.1 to create the drawing and I'll be using the brush pens to do the coloring. You can even use a 0.3 or a 0.5, whatever Micron is available to you. If Micron by chance is not available, you can use any thin marker which is available at your place. Now you can see that this is ready. We will start coloring it up, and let me show you how to color it. So now you can see that this is ready. I will just let it dry, and after that I'll punch it here and show you how it looks with the tusk. So hi everyone, as requested by many, I am showing you how to make a homemade tussar. For a homemade tussar, I am using this normal thread. You can take this is a little thicker thread. You can take a thicker thread or you can take a silken thread. Let me show you how to make the tassel using a normal thread. For this, you will need a scale. What you do is, you hold the thread and you just go around on the scale like that. And then depending upon how thick you want your tassel to be, you keep on putting the thread onto the scale. Now when you think that it is thick enough, what you do is, then you stop, you cut it, and what you should do is, you simply lift this part. You can lift it using a pencil and just take out the thread from the other end like this. Okay, now what we are going to do is, we are going to loosen it a little bit. Be careful when you are loosening it. Just hold it in between your hands, and after that hold it like this and tie it like this, and then tie a knot. Then tie a knot like that. Now what you have to do is, just cut out the extra one and put your scissors inside, cut this out. Now you can see this tassel is ready. This I have made with a thicker thread. In the same way you can make with a silken thread also. Let me show you. So now the same way, in this I have made it with a silken thread. The process is absolutely similar. Now what I have done is, I have just punched it on top and attached the tassel here also, and I have tied it with a thread. The same way you can make your own tassels and you can attach it to your bookmarkers. I hope you have checked out the fusion nameplates that we have done till now. Do like our channel and subscribe to our video, and don't forget to press the notification button, that is the bell button, so that you are notified as soon as we put a new video. Thanks, and thanks for watching.